Now this one here, we'll put this one up now, and you remember, I can't put any wires in here as the tails already. So I got one wire coming from over here that I'm going to have to connect in the attic. And as a matter of fact, I might as well undo my screw here so I'm ready for the attic work. And I'm going to have two coming out of here. The one that's coming from that one, and then I've got the pigtail. Remember the pigtail coming out of here is coming over this direction. I've got to hook it into that. Now I got to do that up in the attic. But you know what? You know how to hook these up now. I don't know if I necessarily have to show you that one. Okay. Now this time I don't think I'm gonna bend these. I want to see what happens without bending them at all. I'm gonna face that up that direction. Right like that. And see, this is the piece where the trim gets screwed into that. And it's got prongs in case you want to install this a different way for a different application, like in a 4-inch cut-in plastic box. Now, they say you can do that. I've heard two different factors on that. One, people say that maybe that's not code. If you got a question about that when you're at the store, you want to ask. Last thing I want to do is tell you how to do something and find out Mr. Inspector don't want it. There. Wow, that was good. Okay, I guess it's just the way you hold your mouth when you push those up. Last thing you want to do is beat on it too much though, because this lip is only like a 1/4 inch and not very much. Oh, okay. Looks good. Tap on it a little bit more. There. And because I'm getting up there in the ceiling, you know, if I had to reposition one, I could take a screwdriver in there and sort of bend it and make sure it's on the flap properly, you know. Okay, so. Yeah, nice. Now it's looking good. See, this one's on a slide. And as you push it up, it's designed to slide up and then jump over and snap. Okay? Wow, nice. I got that one nice and tight. Snug as a bug in a rug. Now, do I want to come back to this other one and try to beat on it? You know, this one, I just don't think I want to because it's really brittle along the edge there. Kind of hesitant about doing it on that one. Okay, see this one here? I don't know. Do I dare mess with it? See that one, you know, I just don't think I can really with those. I think I'm going to mess with those up there. And again, I'll probably more than likely just put a screw in there because it's right up against the stud. The joist. I keep calling it a stud, don't I? All right, ready for this one.